Hey, what's up you guys? This is Mike and welcome to my channel. So in this video we want to talk about analyzing a deal. I have got a lot of investors that come up to me and they want to know how do I analyze a deal, how do I analyze a property, and it's a really important thing to know, not only to save you money, but it's important to know how to do it quickly. When you're looking for deals, you need to have lots of sources coming from lots of different places to ensure that you're getting enough properties to look at. And let's say that one of your sources is a real estate broker. The faster you can respond to that email, the more likely you are to get a deal. Even if it's not a really good opportunity for you, just let the realtor know or let the lead source know, hey, this didn't work out for me. I'm excited to see more leads from you. You can only do that quickly if you know how to analyze a deal. And so that's what we're going to do today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a live-in flip, an investor flip, and a buy and hold deal in hopes that you'll find ways to integrate these tools into your own investment strategy and propelling you towards your financial goals. So let's start with live-in flips. I always recommend live-in flips to new investors because it gives you a lot of buffer if you make mistakes, which we all do when we're just starting off with things. By live-in flip, I mean you buy the property conventionally, either FHA, 203K, VA loan, and you just move in and you fix things up as you go. So when you purchase a property, what's really important to look at beforehand is what it's going to rent for afterwards and what it's going to appraise for afterwards. You can do this by contacting a realtor or going to any one of the websites that list properties that are sold or already rented, and you can get comps for those. All you really need to have to analyze a live-in flip, where you're not renting out the property, you're simply going to sell it once you've increased its value, is what properties like yours that have already had that process, the renovation process completed, are selling for. Properties that are similar to yours, similar in size and shape, amenities, and area. So what you can do is go to realtor.com and look at those properties and then figure out exactly how you can get a property that's similar, that's in worse condition, for at least 60% of the price that the newer homes are selling for. Take a look at what's completed on the newer properties that have just sold and what needs to be done in your prospective property. Let's say, for example, it needs new flooring. All you need to do to figure out how much it's going to cost you to renovate a property is to go to Home Depot or Lowe's or even go on Yelp or Thumbtack and figure out, hey, like what is it going to cost to install this tile that I found at Home Depot for this price per square foot. Get a few estimates and factor that into your price. Okay, so now you have this home that is going to cost this much to bring up to this quality, and then do the same for the kitchen and the bathroom and everything else that you want to repair. That's it. With an investor flip, you're kind of on the clock because you're usually using hard money or you're using higher interest rates, or you've got a lot more cash put into the deal in order to acquire the property in the first place. So you want to factor in the interest rates for your particular situation and add those into the costs. If the numbers still work out, then it's a good deal. Now with the buy and hold, it's important to focus on what it is you're going to rent it out with. Now with the buy and hold, it's more important to focus on how much rental income you're going to get from the property. And so to do that, you can also talk to a realtor and you can find out what the going rate for in your area, the going rental rate is for your area. The issue with Zillow and Apartments.com, to the best of my knowledge, is that they have homes available for rent, which is what people are asking for, but you can ask for whatever you want. What's actually rented, the only place that I know of for sure is within the realtor website, the multiple listing service for your local area. So yeah, that's it. That's a super simple overview. I know that you guys have the tools to do your own research. I don't want to make this a super long video, but if you're thinking about investing in properties, if you're thinking about investing in real estate, I just encourage you to actually do it. You're going to make mistakes. It'll be hard work, but if you keep doing it, then you're going to keep getting better. And that's kind of the whole point of real estate investing, is to get enough knowledge and experience to where you're good at what you're doing, you're making money, and you don't have to work forever. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.